Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a full-screen flip clock to your Windows 11 desktop. Let's get started. First, we need to download the Flicklo screensaver. Go to the official website at fliqlo.com. On the home page, you'll see download options for both Windows and Mac. Click on Download for Windows to get the correct version. Link download Flicklo in the description. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the steps to install Flicklo on your computer. After installing, right-click on your desktop and select Personalize. In the Personalization settings, click Lock Screen from the sidebar. Scroll down and click Screensaver Settings. A new window will pop up. Under Screensaver, select Flicklo from the drop-down menu. You can click Settings to adjust the size and choose between a 12-hour or 24-hour format. When you're done, click OK to save your settings. That's it. Now, whenever your screen goes idle, you'll have a stylish flip clock on display. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.